All right. Welcome to ECE 1003 Computer Programming using Python. Today, we will learn how to use the print function under the data type string. Okay, now open your Python sandbox. This is Engineer Jelby Lagos, your instructor for today. Okay, so I will be your instructor for today. Of course, in some other days too. And today, we will discuss how to use the print function under the data type string. Okay, today, once again, we will discuss the print function. All right, now let's try an example here. Let's say I want to print my name. So you will type print. Your name is enclosed with a single quotation. So take note, that's how you print your name. Now click to run, and then under console, your name will be displayed. Okay, now what if I'm going to add my family name? So go back to the problem, go back to the print line, insert your family name. Okay, okay. Let's clear console first by clicking this button. Okay. And then run. Taran, no, my full name is displayed under the console. Okay, let's try. I want to print Jelby's gene, which is also enclosed in a single quotation. Will it work? Okay, let's try. Okay, press the run button. Charan! Oh, so as you can see here, we have a syntax error, which is invalid syntax. Now, if you will notice, Jelby here is enclosed with a single quotation. Now, outside the single quotation, you have sgene, which is actually an invalid argument. That is an invalid argument. And of course, Python will point the error. So in that case, the error starts from S. So how are we going to solve this problem? How are we going to print Jelby's gene? Okay. Now, why not, instead of using a single quotation, we will use a double quotation so that a single quotation inside the double quotation will be printed. So press run. Charan, Jelby's gene is now printed. All right, that's how you print your single quotes inside the double quotation. Let's have another solution here. So I will be using a single quotation, a single quote, single quotation. So we have Jelby's gene. Take note, we have done this before. Instead, we are going to insert an escape character, which is a slash. So slash will ignore the single quote attached to it. So if we are going to run the code, it will display Jelby's gene. Okay, using the double quotation, and below is Jelby's gene using the single quotation. All right, and that's how you print quotations inside quotations. Okay, let's try. Let's try Pete. Hey Pete, are you there? Okay, run. Okay, that's Pete. Now let's say I want to print, okay, Pete, using a single quotation, and I will also print, okay, Pete's dragon, but I will be using an escape character and a single quote. So will it work? Of course, because you have there an escape character, which is the slash. All right, now again, okay, we have Pete's dragon. Okay, we need another line. So let's say print, okay, print, okay, what, Pete, okay, let's say Pete, okay, sorry for that. Okay, let's say Pete toy. Will it work? Will the double quotes in your toy be printed here? Okay, let's start with the single quote first. Pete, then toy, and another single quote. So, will it work? The question is, will it work? Run. For the third code, now Pete, now, with single quote inside the single quote will not work. So what are we going to do here is to change the single quote in toy. Uh, Instead of single quote, we will be using double quote. Okay, we have a missing single quote here. So insert a single quote and then run again. Well, okay, okay. Let's clear this first. Clear and then run. So we have Pete's dragon, and Pete toy. All right, Pete toy. It's a nice name. Okay, now what if now we are going to um, print another name here. Let's erase this first. So we are going to change this to Jelby. Okay. So Jelby, and then we have, oh, what's this? Oh, guapo. So you know what is guapo? Guapo is actually a term used, by programming that is actually means you are a good programmer. So will this string, Jelby Guapo Lagos, will it work? Of course, no. It will create an invalid syntax because a single quotation inside a single quotations, will not work. So instead, we will be using double quotes outside. We have print Jelby Guapo Lagos. Now, will it work? All right, so it works. So meaning to say, if you want to print a single quote, a string now enclosed in a single quotation, you will use a double quotation. So, okay, let's insert Pete. Okay, let's say, hey Pete, what's your family name? Huge. Oh, okay. How do you spell huge? H. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. So our first code is Jelby Guapo Lagos and Pete, no, Toy Huge. Pete Huge is actually my friend over there. So will it work? So in this code, now you have the first line is a single guapo is enclosed in single quotes, and below is toy is enclosed in double quotes. So we have Pete Guapo Lagos and Pete Toy Huge. That's my friend, Pete Toy Huge. Okay, now let's erase this first. So because it sounds, um, it does not good, no? The sound is not good to hear. Now let's try to print this one. Let's say I want to print a location where my my pictures are stored. So I have here print, we have D drive slash totoy slash notipix. Okay, will it work? Because of the slash here, will it, what will be displayed here after pressing the run button? Let's try. Now, if I press run, so that is, it will display run. Oh no, what happened here? D colon, and we have a space, let's say mga 6-character space, and otoy, and we have notipix now on the next line. So in this case, now take note, slash T is actually an escape character. It means a new tab. And of course, a slash N, okay, slash N means new line. That is why OTPix now is printed on the next line. And after colon, we have slash T, which is actually means new tab, and then otoy will be printed after a new tab. And slash N means new line, and then OTPix will be printed on the next line. So how are we going uh, to fix this problem? Because I really want to print this line, this string. Okay, let's start here. Okay, again, let's print. So print the colon. We will enclose that with single quotations of the colon slash T slash totoy slash noti underscore pix. Now, if you want to print this line, you're going to insert R before the quotation. R means row string. So it means row string. So now if you want to print these colon slash totoy notipix, you have to insert R before the quotation. So now D slash totoy slash notipix is printed because you inserted R, which means row string. All right. Now, let's have another one. Let's print. Okay, my favorite teacher or my favorite subject. What's your favorite subject? Of course, it's programming. So my favorite subject is programming. Why do you like programming? Because what? Let me think of a reason why I really love programming. Because, okay, the teacher in the subject, let's erase that one. I will think of a really nice okay, here, now let's change this one. My favorite subject is programming because the teacher is, oh yes, super guapo. So super guapo. So we know now a while ago I have discussed that guapo means that is a good programmer. So my favorite subject is programming because the teacher is super guapo. So it is printed here. Now, what if now I'm going to print is programming on the next line. I will insert slash n. Let's say I will insert slash n here, and of course I will insert slash n before is, and we will print it again. Run. Okay, my favorite subject is programming because the teacher is super guapo. So let's run again. Okay. This time I will be changing a B here to become a lowercase letter. So this is my favorite subject. My favorite subject is programming because the teacher is super guapo. Super guapo means it links to a really good programmer. Okay, let's try another one. Let's print grades. So in this case, now I will put name and then /t grade. Okay, I will print the name of the student below. Let's say first student named Jelby with a grade of, okay, 98. Or let's say 76, not 98. Jelby is not that smart. Okay, I have here another student named Pete. So Pete is super smart. So let's give him a grade of 91. So let's say 91%. So now if we are going to print this, you will notice that the /t, /t makes vertical alignment. So /t now is responsible for vertical alignment. Now, what if I'm going to add another? What if now I will remove /t? What will happen to the data here? So again, okay, let's print this one. Okay, that's what you get without /t. So it does not align, the grades does not align with grade. So let's insert again /t and compare the result. Okay, run, and then, okay, this is much better. So here with /t and the previous code without /t. Now, what if now I'm going to add another /t? Let's say /t, /t, and then /t. Okay, let's clear this up first, then run. Okay, now the grade is actually extended on the new tab, next tab. Okay, now as you will notice, /t will align your data vertically. All right, now let's have some um, uses of print function. Okay, this time now we will print. Okay, we will print. um, okay, we will merge two string here. I have here Jelby as my first string and Lagos will be my second string. Plus button here will merge the two string. So plus now will merge the two string. So that is the merging of the two string. The term there is concatenate. So plus is actually used to concatenate the two strings. Now let's again, let's print two strings, but this time now we will be using a comma between the strings. Let's say Jelby, comma, Lagos. All right, so comma here used to separate the two strings. So if you will notice, the first line is a plus. That means it merges the two strings. And the second line has a comma, which means no, the two are separated. The two strings are separated. Okay, that's the purpose of comma. Let's try to add here another string. Let's say BSECE. Okay, BSECE1. Okay, since this is a string, I will enclose this with a single quote. All right, and I will also use and. Okay, I will end this string with a period. Okay, this is a period. So let's see what happens if we insert end is equals single quote period. So in this, if you run this code, you will notice GLB, Lagos, BCC with a period. So it ends with a period. Now, what if we will insert another line of code here? Let's say Central, okay, Philippine, okay, another string, University. All right, Central Philippine University. Now, what will be the output? Okay, now take note, Central Philippine University now is actually connected to your first code because of the AND function. So AND and there no, connects your first line to your second line. Now, if I'm going to remove the dot here, then press enter. So you will notice that the period disappeared and central is now connected to BSECE1. Now, if I'm going to use a space, double space, and then run the code again, you can see there, no? It is also connected, but it is separated by double space, as indicated by and equals to the string, which is a double space inside the quotation. So in this case, now we will change this to dot and the space. And we are going to separate. We will insert another argument, which is sep, means separation, single quote dash. So if you will notice, the second line, no, the strings are separated by a dash. So if you will notice, dash, no. Now, if we will change dash to dot, and then press the run button again, right, Central Philippine University will be separated by a dot. Okay. That's how you use separation. You will use this now in your data analytics later on. So this is one important functions of the print under the string data types. All right. Okay, now let's play print function. Now, let's play some codes here. Let's say I have here Pete, a toy, and I'm going to print Pete toy 5 times. Now, that will be my syntax. So I want to print Pete toy 5 times. No, so Pete toy, Pete toy, Pete toy, Pete toy. So that's Pete toy 5 times. Okay, now if I'm going to print it for 10 times, now let's have this one. Pit toy 10 times. So pet toy, no, it's printed 10 times. Okay, now let's play shapes. Now let's create a shape. This time I will be creating a diamond shape. So I will print a diamond shape. Let's say, okay, this is my diamond shape code. Okay, I'll copy this one and paste on my next line, and then I will add asterisk. Okay, paste to another line, and then next line. Then I will remove asterisk to form a diamond. Okay, now press run. Charan. What will happen to the output? Run button, and then charan. OMG, there's an error here. What seems to be the error here? So you can see here in line 2, you have an error which is missing parentheses. Okay, now let's debug and then, oh, run, and then the diamond is displayed. Okay, what if we will double the size of the diamond? Okay, we will double the size of this diamond. How are we going to do that? So we are going to modify. In this case, we will be modifying our codes. Okay, I will modify the codes by inserting /n, and then, okay, I will also insert spaces. Okay, ignore the telephone. Okay, I will insert spaces. Okay, and then run again. Okay, let's run this one. Ta-da! Okay, now as you can see here, now, this is the first diamond, and the next diamond becomes double in size. So becomes double. All right, that's how you manipulate your figure. Now, let's go back to the original diamond. And let's say we are going to print multiple diamonds here. Shall we say we are going to display how many diamonds? Okay, let's start with 3 stars. Not, okay, stars. Sorry, that's diamond. So let's display 3 diamonds. Okay, I'm going to arrange this one to make it look good and have, okay, the spaces are the same. Okay, now pressing the print function. Okay, now take note, we are going to create 3 diamonds. So we'll multiply all of the codes by 3 times. So we have, okay, let's run, and it will display 3 diamonds. Now, let's change now. Instead of 3 diamonds, let's just change this to 10 diamonds. Okay, let's have 10 diamonds here. All right, so 10 diamond, press run, charan. Okay, now you have 10 diamonds printed all at once using this syntax times any number. Okay, now let's delete this one first. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, next meeting, now I will be discussing the print function, but this time under the data type numbers. Okay.